Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have the right authorizations and the company code and controlling area. Once done, open transaction KE5N or KE53. This takes you directly to Profit Center display/search. Enter the controlling area and fiscal year so the system filters relevant centers. Make sure to choose the correct variant or layout for columns you need. You're already in the system, so proceed to search by Profit Center ID or descriptive fields. This gives a focused result set to act on next. You now refine the search to find the exact Profit Center record. Use filters like ID, name, segment, or associated cost center so results are precise. This reduces noise and speeds analysis. Once results appear, switch to a layout that shows validity dates, hierarchy node, and responsible person. These attributes explain ownership and scope. Then drill into master data to check assignments and recent postings to understand why values look the way they do. This step reveals operational context behind. You finish by validating that the profit center is correctly assigned to cost centers, GL accounts, and allocation rules. This ensures reported figures are accurate. Run reconciliation and ledger checks to compare posted amounts versus expected budgets or internal reports, and correct postings as needed. If something goes wrong, immediately review change logs for recent edits, confirm your authorization levels, and verify posting periods aren't locked. Once corrected, rerun the report to confirm the Profit Center now reflects true financial status.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.